Hello everyone, welcome back to Mrs. Dewey Food Channel. In today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make a very tasty goat liver kebab without skewers. This recipe is healthier as it doesn't require too much oil and it is very tasty. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. For this recipe, you need goat liver, and this is how it looks like, and I have cut it into small pieces. You can also use beef liver if you prefer. You also need 4 garlic cloves, you need some ginger, you need 1 medium-sized onion, and you need 1 medium-sized Scotch bonnet pepper. You also need an extra onion cut into small squares. For this recipe, I am going to use 1 red bell pepper. If you want a different color, please go ahead and use it. And of course, you also need some Suya spices. I'm going to be using oil and also some salt to taste. And this is optional, but I am also going to add 2 seasoning stock. You can also use Maggi cube salt if you like. So let's get started. It's very easy. In your blender, add the ginger, onion, garlic and pepper, add some oil and blend it until smooth. When it is smooth, you can pour it on the liver. The next step is to add the extra onion cut into cubes and also the bell pepper cut into cubes. Next, you can add some salt to taste. Always remember to taste it if it's enough for you. And then you can add your Maggi cube stock, either 1 or 2, it's totally up to you. Next, make sure you mix it well and that the pepper is well incorporated in the liver. And then you can cover it with cling film and leave it to chill in the fridge for about half an hour to 1 hour. Okay, now don't forget to preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius and place your liver on your oven tray protected with foil, and then put it in the middle rack of your oven and let it cook for about 20 minutes to begin with. And this is how it looks like after 20 minutes. So at this point you can give it a little stir to make sure it cooks evenly. And then it is optional, but you can also add about 1 teaspoon of oil to it and mix it again. And then you are going to put it back in the oven for another 15-20 minutes or until you feel you like it or you feel it is properly cooked. So this is it now. My liver is almost ready and I'm giving it a little stir. And at this point you can start adding your Suya spices. So the quantity of Suya spices you decide to add, it really depends on you, but what I did is that I added about 1 to 1.5 tablespoon of Suya spice. Then you need to stir it again and put it back in the oven for now 3 to 5 minutes, not more, not less. And this is it. Your goat liver is ready to be served. So this is the final result, and I can guarantee you that it is very nice and healthier. You know, liver is very good for us, so if you like it, please go for it. And as a decoration, you can sprinkle some more Suya spices to it, and this is it. And here you have a little close-up of my goat's liver Suya without skewers. So thank you all for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. It is very it is very quick to prepare and very nice, especially if you are on a type of diet. I would recommend this to you instead of eating red meat. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.